Guys, welcome to my channel Video Excel, and this is Akanksha. Today I will continue the if function. In last video we have seen the application of if, that how we apply if function. Now today we'll see the advanced level of it, that how we can nest other logical function with if function. So let's start. So here you can see that it's asking that it want revenue more than 10,000 and less than 15,000, then it should be good. Between 10 to 15,000, okay. And in if it doesn't meet the condition, it wanted blank. So it's very easy. It have given me two condition, right? So we will use AND function inside the if condition. So it will be like that. If and my first condition is revenue less than 10,000, okay. So this is my revenue, sorry, revenue greater than 10,000, greater than 10,000, and revenue less than 15,000. So guys, if you remember and seen my last video, you have to freeze this, right? Because I don't want the movement of my condition cell referencing. Done. So this is my condition function, and this is what I have given condition. So what if it's true? If it's true, it should be good, and if it's not true, I should put it like a blank. Done. So you can see it's more than 15,000, so no answer have come. So only one is my meeting the condition, right? Say it's 17,000, more than 15,000. So mostly are more than 15,000 or less than 10,000. So everything is blank except this one, 12,8 not 6. Fine. Now jump to next condition. You can see revenue is greater than 15,000 and less than 20,000. Then it's saying it should say good. And if revenue is greater or equal to 20,000, it should be very good, okay. And if nothing is there, then I need a revenue amount. Fine. So you can see I have one condition, two condition, three condition, and four condition. How I'll put? So first, if saying, I will put a AND function like I've done it previous one. If revenue is greater than 15,000, revenue is less than 15,000. Okay, I am at my first condition. Then it should be, guys, what was it? I don't know. Very good, I think. It should be very good. Okay, and if it's not true, then it's saying if it's not true, then you check if it's more than 20,000, right? So I'll put if again. If revenue is greater than or equal to 20,000, then if it's true, excellent. And if it's not true, then I want revenue itself. I'll put this, right? Yes. So if it's between 15 to 20, it should come good. Okay, it should come good. So I'll change this. And if it's more, then it should come very good. And so it's saying very good because it's more than 20,000. And if let's see if I got it to it's coming very good. It's not meeting condition, so it's 5,000. It's revenue, so greater than equal to 20,000, and if or so here you can see it's or condition, like if it's greater than or equal to 20,000 or less than 15,000, then the alert, like I need alert which are either greater than 15,000 or less than 50, or either greater than 20,000 or less than 15,000. So if this is, I'll put or condition. This is greater than or equal to 20,000 or revenue is less or equal to 15,000, then value is true, it should be allowed. If a value is not true, I'm good, I don't need any alert. See, yeah. See, if I put it good. So you can see how we can put more logical operations inside the if. It's called if nesting, right? Okay, now here are, so this is another level of if, like if you want to use the threshold level or threshold value which are more than or less than 5%, how you can if use if function and the symbols also. Okay, scenario it's saying that I have an actual revenue and I have a budget revenue. Okay, budget revenue can be a last year or anything, or actual revenue. So now I want to know the if the actual revenue is more than 5% or less than 5% of the budget revenue. How I will know? Like I will make a simple calculation, right? Okay, I have selected this as a percentage and I will drag it. So I know I don't want any attention here because it's between the plus minus of 5%. I want attention here, I want attention here, here, not here, here, here. Yes, I want because it's more than 5%, and here. So it's difficult to check each and every digit, so I need the values which are more or less than 5% of threshold value. So it's a condition, like what I want, if it's more or it's less than 5%, I'll do if, since it's a or condition, because either plus 5% or less than 5%, I'll put or. Okay guys, so this is my first condition, it's greater than 5%, or same thing, I'll copy paste, is greater than, sorry, less than. You have to be very correct with your condition, very clear with your condition. If it's true, right, I want the same value, I want the same value, and if it's not true, I want nothing. So this escaped. See, it worked. The conditions which I don't want has worked. So guys, now I need some symbols, like these figures I have to check, like okay, this is less, this is more, this is less, this is more. So I need some symbols. What I'll do, if uh, this is equal to blank, what I want answer, blank. But if it's not true, if it's not blank, I want this symbol. right? I want this symbol, but it will work at every time, so I won't take it because I want up symbol up when it's plus and down symbol when it's minus. So if it's true, it's blank. It's not true. If this is greater than 0, give me this thing, and if it's not, give me this thing. Cool. Yes. So this came as a blank. Okay. Yes. You know, guys, what happened? I have not freezed it. So you can see that freezing is so important, right? Freezing is very important. You have to know where you need to freeze your formula to get the correct answer every time. Voila. So it's minus, it's down arrow, it's plus, it's up arrow, it's blank, it's blank. Great.